Hey everybody, this is Tom from Small Scale Life. Hope you're having a great day. We have a great podcast coming up for you on Sunday night. We have two great people that are going to be on the show. I've got Scott Hebert from Flavourful Farms up in Canada and Michael Bell from Dallas Half Acre Farms. They are both going to be on the show and answering questions about market gardening. So if you have questions about how to market, how to start an urban farm, how to, improve your production, put those questions below this thread and we'll get those answered on the podcast. I think Michael has some questions for Scott. Scott probably has some questions for Michael. It'll be Small Scale Life blood sports. No, just kidding. It'll be a great conversation. And tune in, everybody. It's going to be a lot of fun, and that's Sunday night. And next week it'll be on the road, so we'll have some other fun stuff while I'm on the road. But put your questions below. We'll get those answered, and we'll see you soon on the Small Scale Life podcast. Got stuff coming today. It's a busy day on Friday. Hope you're all doing well. So garden's back there. Got a little video for you too. All right, take care everybody. See you soon. Put your questions below. Bye.